How to edit photos using Playground AI. First, open your web browser and go to playground.com. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Playground dashboard, click Create and switch to the image editing mode if needed. Next, click the Upload Image button and select the photo you want to edit from your computer. After your photo has been uploaded, click inside the prompt box and describe the changes you want to make. For example, type "Remove the background and replace it with a tropical beach at sunset while keeping the person unchanged." After entering your prompt, click the Generate or Enter. Playground AI will process your request and create an edited version of your photo in just a few seconds. Compare the result with the original image. If you'd like a different version, simply modify your prompt and generate again until you're satisfied. Finally, click the Export button to save the edited photo to your computer. That's it. You've successfully edited a photo using Playground AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, photo editing tips, and easy tech guides.